This week we're going to be doing a beef prime rib with some salad. Before we get started on the meat, let's work on our salad. For this you'll need half a cabbage, 2 carrots, some tomatoes, fresh cucumber, at least half, whole grain mustard, pickled cucumbers, Japanese mayo, and tomato sauce. Make sure you have a sharp knife and a large bowl. In order to complete your salad, you'll need to peel your carrots, cut up all your vegetables and add it to your bowl. Then you'll need to add 2 teaspoons of whole grain mustard, equal parts of Japanese mayo and tomato sauce. Make sure to stir liberally. It's time to cook our steak. Make sure to lubricate your pan with some virgin olive oil. This is beef prime rib. It's beef on the bone with some nice fat. When seasoning your meat, make sure to put salt and pepper. You need to season the meat based on how much meat there is, so be quite liberal with a very thick piece of steak like me. Before you start cooking, make sure to remove the strings that hold the meat together. Don't make the same mistake I did. Be sure to season both sides of your steak. Because the steak is so thick, I need to cut into the meat to make sure that it cooks through completely. As you can see, I've chosen to cook a really large steak. This means I have to turn over my meat more often. For flavor, I like to add a bit of garlic butter. Once the garlic butter starts to melt, I like to make sure that all parts of my steak have been covered by garlic butter. When you're cooking any meat on the grill that has a large amount of fat, make sure to turn on your extractor fan to make sure that you don't smoke yourself out of your kitchen. Make sure to put garlic butter on both sides of your steak, especially allowing it to seep in the cuts that you made earlier. Every now and again it's a good idea to cut into your meat near the bone to see how well it's cooking. The closer you cut to the bone, the rarer the meat, so use this as a general idea of how rare you want your meat. I aim to make my steak medium rare.